By 1804, slavery had been abolished in the North, but it remained a constant practice in the South. If African Americans enslaved in the South wanted a shot at freedom, they would have to use a particular method. This method was known as the Underground Railroad. This railroad was not a literal station of trains and tracks carrying passengers from one location to the other. Instead, the Underground Railroad was a metaphor used to describe a secret network of individuals that provided shelter and guidance to help runaway slaves make their way from the South to the North. As the metaphor became more popular, the escapees became known as passengers, and the individuals that guided them were known as conductors. The places that sheltered the runaways were known as stations, and the individuals who hid the enslaved people were known as the station masters. Conductors and passengers would travel from safe zone to safe zone, with 10 to 20 miles between each stop. A lantern placed in the window would be a symbol for a safety zone. The journey from the South to the North was long and dangerous. Between 1810 and 1850, the Underground Railroad was believed to have led 100,000 enslaved African Americans to freedom. Historians believe that the work of the Underground Railroad heightened the division between the North and the South that would set the stage for the Civil War, a war that would lead to the abolishment of slavery nationwide.